It was a small community. We had the corner grocery store. Now, there was another corner grocery store block away, and they had totally different clientele. So there were enough people living on 4 sides of the store, north and south, east and west, that the customers didn't come from further than 1 block.
Wow.
And we had the only public telephone in the community. People did not have private telephones. So I called young women to the phone for dates. Next door we had an Italian family. When the son called from, he was in the Army, so I'm going into the 40s. She was very, very frightened of the telephone. She was an immigrant Italian woman, and she didn't know what to do with the phone. We had messages. One of the Italian women would tell us in broken English, Mrs. Schiff, if my daughter comes, tell her I went to the butch. And we had men who would come and sit on milk boxes, and it was a gathering place. They didn't interfere with business. The store was open late. And it was interesting. The people who hung out were mostly Jewish men. There was a Mr. Klein who worked in coal because he had very dirty clothes, but he came cleansed after dinner, and we called him Kamenetsky because he came from Kamenetz. So, you learn different things from how your parents dealt with people.